Hey peeps, what's going on? It's Josh.
And Maggie.
And Maggie's right over there. Although, there, that should be a little bit better. We are shut down. Why are we shut down, babe?
Hold on. I'm getting camera ready.
Fucking wind. It is so windy. The cab is rocking.
Yeah, and it said it was 40 plus.
It was 40 plus. Looking at WeatherBug, looking at the reader
Do I look
boards.
camera ready?
You look gorgeous, darling.
I can't see my hair, so who knows what.
I can't see my hair when I'm with you. 'Cause you're a camera hog. I was calling myself the camera hog.
Show them my food.
What?
Show them my food.
I'm gonna let you look at yourself in your camera first.
What? It's that bad?
It's not bad at all, but I don't want to be held responsible for you being like, babe, I don't look camera ready.
I was looking at the recipe, not myself.
If I looked like you, I would look at myself all the time. 'Cause you fine, baby.
Okay, well. We good. Go ahead and show the food and everything.
How do I do that?
I don't know, isn't there like a turnaround button?
No, I don't know what I just did. Hey, my camera says AF. Does that mean as fuck?
No.
Oh,
Autofocus.
interesting.
Are you autofocusing on me?
No, I'm trying to turn the camera around. I don't know how to do this.
I can't open this right.
Here, give it to me. You're going to spill it everywhere.
No.
Here, take the camera, and I'll do
what?
that.
I did it.
Yeah, it is so windy that we're shut down.
Hear it, no?
Huh?
I feel like they'd be able to hear it.
I don't know if y'all can hear it, but there's a pug, though. Marvy, say hi. Say hi to the peeps. Hey. Focus is windy. Woo! Hi! And there's a Peterbilt. Uh-oh. Here's a Petey Beady. I'm just gonna turn it around, babe.
One unread message.
Hi, peeps.
Can they see it?
Yeah.
Fine.
I'm making stuffed peppers. I have to get out the Instant Pot for the rest of this after this mixture is done. So this is what I'm stuffing it with. They're Italian stuffed peppers, so it's marinara rice, and we use extra lean turkey. And then they will be topped with some fat-free mozzarella because it's free on Weight Watchers for a third of a cup.
Half cup.
For half a cup, I guess. And yeah, so it should be pretty delicious. 9-point meal.
I've gotta grab the Instant Pot. It's right over here. It's wedged down in the corner of the bunk though, so it's giving me some trouble getting it out. Proved to be more difficult than anticipated. Ow, Pete, take it easy, fool. Oh. There's stuff in there. Okay, well.
We haven't used the Instant Pot in forever.
She gets it. She says, I'll use it every day, babe. Oh. I don't think you would use any cooking apparatus every day except for the skillet.
I was like, are you kidding me? I use my skillet literally every day.
Yeah, that's going to be replaced probably every few months, though, because they're not meant to be used every single day for the cheap ones like that. Peter, go entertain yourself over there, please. You don't need to be sitting on Marv.
Do you want to try the mixture?
No.
I do. It's cooked.
No. I'll wait. Anyway, I want to make a quick little video because I realized that I didn't make any videos today or whatever. And I was like, oh, I should
You should do Vlogmas.
I should make a video and say what's up and
No?
Vlogmas?
Yeah.
No.
Because you can't do it.
What do you mean?
It would be really hard. You have to do a vlog every day.
Well, I could do a vlog every day. It's just I don't always have anything interesting to say except, you know. Hey, peeps. Still on the truck.
Please, you usually can find something to talk about.
How dare you? Your son needs kibble.
I know.
Look at him.
You tried to lift the bunk.
I did try to lift the bunk with them.
Oh, tell them about my wrist.
Maggie did a bad thing. She lifted the bunk to get the Clorox wipes that were under the bunk. And she didn't use the block. We have this wooden block that we put under it to keep it up while whatever. She lifted it up with one hand, was reaching under, and then Peter jumps up on the bunk and
No,
it
no, no,
smashes
that's not what
down. That's what she told me.
What happened was...
So, what, you just fibbing?
No, they were right there, so I didn't use the little thing, and I'm reaching. And then the bunk falls.
You said Peter jumped on it.
No.
You blamed him.
It falls, and then he jumps right on top of it when it already just fell on my wrist.
Oh, dear.
And that's when I started yelling. For you.
You didn't yell for me. You just went, ow! Ow! And I was like, what is going on? Because I was outside trying not to throw up. My stomach was weird last night. Anyway, but she assured me that her wrist is not broken. Are they okay?
I think so.
Okay. And so I was very relieved.
I need the knife. It's right there in the bottom drawer.
Okay, I'm vlogging. What do you want me to do about it?
Can't you just hand it to me?
I've been handing you everything. I've literally collected all of your ingredients for you.
That's because you're expert level.
No, that's because you're perched yourself on the ground and now I'm getting all of the things.
Well, to be fair, for the other meals that we eat, I'm the one who does get all of the things and puts all of the things away. So I'm just using your help
Wait.
while you're around.
You're not using a sharp knife.
Why not?
Have you met yourself? I'll do this part of the prep.
While you vlog?
No, I'm going to end the vlog.
Oh. You almost just hit my face. You
No,
said
I
I'm dangerous?
didn't. That's a lie. It's very far away from your face. Don't be a fibber. Look at that. Plenty of clearance.
Oh, hi.
She's a fucking fibber. That's what happened just there. So, I am going to go do some prep. No. We have to put something under that. Messy girl. Anyway, peeps, just want to let you know we're shut down due to weather. And, ain't nothing I can do about it. But it's supposed to, the wind is supposed to stop early morning. So, go lay down and stop leaning on me.
Well, and our dispatcher said, like, do not, like, this is a bad area, so if you need to shut down, like, you're not going to get in trouble.
Yeah, no, he told me to let him know.
And then when we told him, he was like, do not move until it is safe.
He did?
Yeah.
I didn't see that. What'd he say?
He said, don't move till it's safe. Literally, that's what he said.
Nice. I didn't even know that because I was sleeping. I went to sleep.
And
Anyway.
I fell asleep on his head, and
She
I
drooled on my
on
face.
him.
She drooled down my face. I was like, is that why my face is wet? I thought I was sweating.
At least I told you.
Yeah. Thought I was sweating. Anyway, so we're going to go finish dinner, but I just wanted to check in and say what's up. And I hope you guys are out there being safe. If it's windy, shut down. Because first we slowed our speeds down and then we stopped because it just wasn't safe to continue. We've been at this rest area before. Oh, and as a side note for the Weight Watchers watch. I don't know what we're going to call that. I don't know. I just got down to 229.6?
Yeah.
229.6. And for my weigh-in on Friday, I have to be 225. So it looks like I'm hopefully going to make that.
You were naked, though.
I wasn't naked.
I'm just kidding.
I was wearing shorts and a t-shirt. And
Which you could totally wear on Friday.
yeah,
We can go get you some shorts at Walmart.
I have shorts.
Oh, I thought you said you didn't.
I do. It's just cold in Montana. I didn't want to wear shorts. Anyway, so that's it. Much love. Peep out.